Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today I really felt like doing a new nail polish of the week video in which I paint my own natural nails with regular nail polishes in real time as well. So I really felt like doing something super Christmassy because Christmas is just around the corner, just a few days, and Christmas 2024 will be here. And yeah, my little boy is actually sitting next to me because, you know, I'm a mom now. For almost a year already, my little boy has been with me. And yeah, if you hear some baby background noises, that is my little boy, Aeon. But let's get back to the video because I am already applying my base coat, which is one by Catrice Cosmetics. It is actually from their newest collection update, if I'm correct, for their fall winter 2024 collection update. It's a pretty decent base coat. At the moment I don't really mind which base coat I slap on because I do have a small or thin gel polish, like soak off gel polish base and soak off gel polish top coat, like a small overlay on top of my natural nails just to give them a little extra strength, because you can actually see my nails are quite damaged. They are very short on my right hand. I actually tore off my index finger on the right, and there also is tear on my middle finger on the left. So I really think that when the new year comes, I will be shortening my left hand as well, just as short as the right hand, so they're all like equally in size and length again. But yeah, at the moment my nails need a little extra oomph. I don't know what it was, maybe it is like the season. I tend to have more nail breaks during fall and winter for some reason. I don't know why that is, but you know, stuff happens. Oh, and of course I am painting both of my hands today, and I do have to apologize on forehand because sometimes I'm a little bit out of frame or out of focus, and that is simply because I don't record a lot of videos like this anymore, and I really hate the fact that I don't have enough time to do so. It's actually been weeks, I think it's been a couple of months that I actually sat down and recorded a video like this and actually had nail polish on my nails for a longer period of time, just not only just recording time, but actually wear a nail polish for a couple of days towards a week. So yeah, I was really like keeping my mindset on, okay, I'm recording a video, but I am doing my nails for the entire holiday season at the end of December. So that is also why I picked this polish. This one is called Ruby Madly Deeply. It is from Holo. I think it's their like birthstone collection. It was so expensive, that collection, but it is so gorgeous. And if you're curious to see the other 11 colors, because this was a 12-piece collection set, definitely check out my swatch video on that as well. But yeah, even though this is a real-time paint your nails together with me kind of video, I did cut out the waiting time that I actually waited before going in with the next layer of polish. It's not that it takes a lot of time, especially with the polishes I'm using today. They dry pretty quickly, especially this red glittery one by Holo. Because there's so much pigment and glitter going on in there, you only need like 3 minutes before you can go in with your next coat. But for this red glittery polish, it's pretty much just Christmas in a bottle, and I love it so much. I already loved it when swatching the entire swatch and review video of the Birthstone collection. My lord, it was so stunning. I don't think there were a lot of colors that I wasn't super like hyped about. I think there were like a couple where I was like, does this really fit the month that it was assigned to? But other than that, the colors are really gorgeous, especially if you don't really care which month is assigned to which color of polish. They're all just really gorgeous. Me, myself, I'm an October girl, so the hot pink was the one for me. Personally, I didn't really love that one, but that was mostly because I know that October has 2 birthstones, and I really love to see those 2 combined and not just the pink one. Also, I really felt like the hot pink could have been hotter, if you know what I mean. But yeah, that's just something I wanted to put out there. I do really love the color, but knowing that it was assigned to October, I was kind of like just a little smidge disappointed. Oh, and the background noises can get a little out of hand at the moment because my little boy is playing with the most noisy toys he has, like the rattlers and stuff like that. So yeah, let's just focus on the nail polish and maybe focus a little bit on the baby noises if you're into that, because he is really, really cute. But yeah, Christmas is just around the corner and I'm really curious to hear what your Christmas plans are. Are you even celebrating Christmas? I do know that I have a couple of followers that don't celebrate Christmas the way we do here in the West, or at least here in Europe. I'm really curious to hear about your specific, like the things that you do during the holiday season and what you actually celebrate, because you know, not everyone celebrates Christmas. Some celebrate Hanukkah, others celebrate nothing. Let me know in the comment section down below. For me personally, since this is my little boy's first Christmas, he was born last year on December 31st, so we just missed Christmas with him, or at least he was already pretty much like full blown in my very big belly at that moment. But of course this is his first official Christmas. So yeah, we're planning on at least staying home for Christmas Eve, the first day of Christmas, and the second. We actually do celebrate a second Christmas Day here in the Netherlands. I'm also curious to hear if you do the same. Maybe you have some other like days surrounding Christmas that you stay home or you go to family or anything like that. But we're just pretty much, I'm going to make a couple of nice Christmassy meals, and we are going to have dinner quite early twice so that Aeon can actually sit down and eat together with us, since his bedtime is a little bit around like 7 p.m. So yeah, we can't really make it a super long, lengthy dinner from like 6 towards 11, you know? So yeah, we're actually going to have dinner twice really, really early, like around 4-ish. So yeah, I'm really curious to see how that goes. Also, we have a ton of cute little gifts for him. I think I have like 14 in total. I still have to put them under the tree once again, because I did put them there in one of my vlog videos that I posted earlier, but he was like really up in there and just flying them around, like throwing them around, and I was like, I'm just going to put them on top of my like closet or cabinet that I have here in the living room, so he can't reach it, but I'm going to put those back there. So yeah, 14 presents, which is pretty much in my opinion, but they were really, really inexpensive. They're like gifts of like €2, like 150. There's like one that was specifically like $10 or something. But I was like, I want to give my boy a lot of presents because I'm not used to actually celebrating Christmas with presents. I myself actually come from a pretty big family. I have 4 older brothers, and money was always a little bit tight when I was growing up, which is like something I totally understand, because especially growing up in the 90s, like the world was completely different than it is now. So yeah, we never actually celebrated Christmas like traditionally, the American way, let's just put it at that, with tons of like gifts and stuff. But we do always, or we always did like a big family dinner. My mom was always cooking, stuff like that, and that is something that I want to continue. That is a tradition that I really want to keep for my own family as well. And my husband's tradition was pretty much with the gifts, so we're just fusing those two things together. And we pretty much only do gifts for our kid. We don't really do gifts for each other, because we're like, if we definitely... wow, Aeon. If we want or need something, we just pretty much buy it like during Black Friday or other sale moments, you know. We don't really have like a big like wish list of stuff we need or want or anything. That is something that definitely changes once you grow up and get older. There aren't much things that you really want, or at least not really things that you feel like are suitable for a Christmas gift wish list. Because I would really love a new car though, but that's quite expensive, you know. But yeah, that is pretty much what we will be doing for this little like Christmas period of a couple of days. On the Friday after Christmas, we will be going to family, and maybe on the Saturday after as well. So it will be quite a busy little week. And yeah, I'm just really curious to hear what you guys' plans are and how you are celebrating. And yeah, we are already done with applying the second coat of the Holo Taco Ruby Madly Deeply Polish. It is so gorgeous. It definitely is Christmas in a bottle, in my opinion. I do feel like it has a little bit of an orangey tinge in there, so it isn't a classic like Christmassy red. So I think Aeon is pretty much done with me doing this voiceover for the last 10 minutes. He definitely has my patience, which is sometimes below 0. But yeah, I'm already applying my top coat, which is also by Catrice from their newest update collection. I think those go for like 3 towards 350 in euros, so they're actually quite inexpensive as well. But you can definitely see it totally transforms this glittery polish, because the polish like on its own dries like semi-matte. And it just definitely comes to life. Like all the glitter is just bam, you know, in your face once you have applied a glossy top coat on there. And it's just gorgeous. I love this. I don't really wear a lot of red polishes, or at least I don't wear a lot of polishes for this last like 12 months. But I really hope to get back into it and record at least 2 of this type of video a month. Also, I really want to get back into recording more, because I feel like if I don't record for a couple of weeks, I'm kind of like out of it, if you know what I mean. I still definitely know how to do it, what my angles are, stuff like that, but sometimes I'm just really not in my schwung, if you know what I mean. But yeah, this was the entire video already. As you can see, I was a little sloppy with my application as well, especially around the ring finger. There is a little bit of polish on the skin that I actually got off like a couple of minutes after recording. And the way I usually clean up afterwards, it's with a small angled makeup brush, usually a brow brush or something like that, dipped in a little bit of nail polish remover, and you're good to go. It's easily removed. But yeah, this was the entire video. Let me know what you think about it, and if you would like to see me do more of these, even if I do have shorter nails. And yeah, I love you so much, and Merry Christmas if you're celebrating, and I hope to see you next time.